Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're talking about lazy ways to make money online. But before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Are you someone looking for means to meet your daily expenses, but don't want to work much? However, if you're looking for jobs for lazy people, here we will reveal those. If yes, it means that you're looking for jobs that are easy and simple to do and at the same time pay a decent income. Don't worry, you're going to find it as if you are in the right place. It is a general human tendency to look for simple and easy ways or methods to do things. When stressed, we feel like taking a break or a monotonous job may bore us, and many more like this. So, everyone has their own excuses for being lazy, or to stay tired out or stressed. However, this video consists of some great jobs that pay you high for doing simple jobs. I'm sure most of you might know that even half of these jobs exist. So why dive in to know what they are? Number 1. Take surveys. Taking surveys is one of the easiest jobs that anyone can do. It doesn't consume much time or effort. However, if you want to make more money, then you can spend as much time as you wish taking surveys. Several websites and apps on the internet offer you to pay for taking surveys. They're commonly called GPT sites. They also pay for doing silly tasks such as watching videos, playing games, etc. Here's a list of some of the highest paying survey sites where you can sign up and start earning. Survey Junkie, Opinion City, Inbox Dollars, Vendale Research. Number 2. Take dogs for a walk with Rover. Are you an animal lover? Then you will love this job. Rover is an online platform where you can find the best deals for taking pets for a walk or spending time with them. This pet sitting or dog walking job is pretty easy and less time consuming to do. The money you can make from this app is also attractive. You can make around $20 for half an hour walk up to $30 per hour. You're also allowed to tag your charges on this app so that people can find you according to their pricing needs. Sign up with Rover now and work in your schedules whenever you want and as much as you want. Number 3. Get paid to criticize food. This is the best job you can do, where you will get free food to devour and money for reviewing it. There are restaurants that hire people to taste and judge their dishes so as to improve them in case of any corrections. However, you're not going to get the whole plate of meals. You will be given some sample food that you need to taste and write a proper review. Basically, you need to become a food critic. By undergoing culinary training, you can make this job a full-time career and earn around $20 to $25 an hour. Number 4. Voice your opinion. Your opinion is going to make a huge difference for some brands or companies, so why not make cash while voicing your opinion? Yes, there are several market research sites or simply survey sites on the internet where you need to review a product or service. This job takes as much less time as 5 to 15 minutes and can earn you $5 to $50 for each product you review. Major brands and companies collect these reviews to better their products and services. Some companies also require you to test a product even before it enters the market, to fix errors or bugs if any. These products can range from simple household articles to software or apps. Number 5. Food and grocery delivery. An introvert or an easy job searching person can find delivering food and groceries a suitable job for themselves. Several sites and apps have delivery jobs for you to do just by signing up for free. You can work in your own locality and at the time you wish. Here are some companies that hire for food and grocery delivery jobs. DoorDash. Deliver food in and across the cities of the US by becoming a dasher by signing up at DoorDash. You can make between $10 and $20 an hour. Postmates. Deliver food and groceries with Postmates by signing up here and earning up to $25 an hour. Instacart is another app where you need to shop and deliver groceries to people. You can earn $20 to $25 an hour with the app. Number 6. Teach English to Chinese kids. If you're good at English and can read, write, and speak efficiently, then you can teach English from the comfort of your home. Become an ESL teacher, or earn by teaching English to Chinese kids. As an ESL teacher, you can earn $28 per hour on average. There are different platforms on the internet where you can find an online teaching job in English. I mentioned some of them below. Sign up with VIP Kid to teach English to Chinese students and earn $22 per hour. China pays high amounts to teach English to its kids, hence this has become a lucrative and desirable job. Number 7. Do mystery shopping. Mystery shopping is an easy job to do, and as simple as the daily shopping you do. All you need to do is to go into a shop, store, or mall and do some shopping. Then you will need to give a review of the customer service, quality services, pricing, and other details. You need to do all this like a common shopper, and you must not be suspected by anyone. Similar to an undercover cop, you should be an undercover critic. You will be doing all this for different companies, brands, and products secretly like a detective. During the process, you can have fun shopping, and all your expenses will be reimbursed by the company. Number 8. Sell photos online. Are you good at photography? Then this job is for you. This is a low stressful and high-paying job where you can enjoy the process of making money. All you need to do is click great pictures of anything and upload them onto any stock photo website, just sitting at your home. When someone uses or buys your pictures from these stock photo websites, you can earn a sales commission. This is a fun job, and your finances keep flowing as long as your pictures are used, downloaded, or purchased. Number 9. Test hotels. What better job than testing hotels where you can get to live in luxury hotels for free, and also get paid for reviewing their services? This is an interesting and fun job to do without 0% stress levels. All you need to have to do this job is attention to detail, and you'll be done with reviews. Write a detailed review of the food, housekeeping services, customer interactions, staff, etc. of the hotel that hires you to do this job and earn up to $120 a day. I feel this is one of the easiest and simple jobs for lazy people available in this video. Number 10. Test video games. This is a good job for introverts and lazy people. All you need to do is sit in your home and play video games and share your experience. Many companies pay people to test their video games before they launch them in the market. So this is that kind of a job. This job doesn't involve any stress, instead it is a stress buster. So go grab a video game testing job and earn up to $14 per hour playing video games. Number 11. Binge watch Netflix. Do you watch Netflix for hours? Then make your habit of being lazy and watching for hours together into making money by becoming a professional binge watcher. Netflix offers you to binge on it and helps you make money. This binge watcher job is called editorial analyst. You will be paid according to the quality and number of screens you watch. See how much you can earn below. 1 screen SD quality, $8.99 per month basic. 2 screens at a time in HD, $12.99 per month standard. 4 screens at a time in HD or Ultra HD, $15.99 per month premium. Number 12. Rent your car with Getaround. Do you own more than one car? Or don't you use your car regularly? Then why let it lazy in the parking area? Download the Getaround app and rent your car out to private travelers or companies, etc. According to Getaround, you can make between $6,000 to $10,000 per year by renting your car with them. This is a great deal where you can laze around and still make money. I hope no one is offended by this video of jobs for lazy people. Why not cash in when you have an opportunity is what I believe. In today's time in life, there is a job in every field and for every person. So grab the opportunity that is suitable for you and earn your living. That is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.